To create a Coinbase account, start by going to the official Coinbase website and clicking on the Get Started button. You will be asked to choose between an individual and business account. Select the type of account you want to create. Enter your first and last name, email address, and password. Then check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Coinbase will send a verification email to the email address you provided. Open the email and click on the Verify Email Address button to activate your account. You will be asked to provide your phone number for two-factor authentication. Enter your phone number and click on the Send Code button. Coinbase will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code and click on the Submit button. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. This information is required to comply with Know Your Customer regulations and to prevent fraud. You will also be asked to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. To verify your identity, make sure the ID is clear and legible, and that it has not expired. Once you have completed the verification process, you can start using your Coinbase account to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency. You can link a payment method, such as a bank account or credit card, to fund your account and start trading. It is essential to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. You should also be cautious when clicking on links or providing sensitive information to avoid phishing scams. By following these steps, you can create a secure and verified Coinbase account and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency. Remember to always follow best practices and stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market.